recipe for today. It's beef quesadilla, and these are my ingredients. It's about 1 pound of beef, onions, bell peppers, salt, pepper, and cumin. I'm gonna saute this in olive oil. Here we go. Translucent, so it's okay to add the beef. Going to take a longer time than chicken, so I'm gonna cover this. It looks good. I'm gonna add salt, pepper, cumin, smells good. Now I'm gonna add the bell pepper. Cover it for a while I'm preparing my quesadilla griddle. Mozzarella cheese, sure not to add the juice. And you don't want it to be too thick. Make sure that I don't put the meat on top of this. That's good. Now this is Tillamook cheddar. You can use any cheddar, but we love the Tillamook cheese. And be sure not to put too much cheese because it only goes to the side. Cover it with another tortilla, then close. Probably 5 or 10 minutes. It will be done. It's done. This is it.